Kopac here, owner of Kopac Design and Build. Today, doing a couple of reviews, unboxing of two semi-new RIDGID products. One of them is this matte light right here, and one of them is this handheld light. So the first one, which is really exciting, is this matte light right here. So this, different LED strips, it rolls up, it's flexible, it's almost weight-proof. I've seen a car like run over the thing. It's really bright, it's got 3 separate speeds. Has an attachment right here, even comes with a USB port so you can charge your phone while you're using it. So we'll plug it in and you can see how it works. So one of the really cool features about this, I mean, if you're trying to use a light like this, it's more of a spotlight. This, if you're getting underneath a kitchen cabinet or you're doing something where you need almost like a 360 light, this is perfect for those kind of situations. So you can see once you plug it in right here, there's this button right here which will turn on the light. As you press it, there's 3 different settings. And you can see it goes on just about instantly. You can see all the separate LEDs there. Put it on its side if you want to. You can spin it around, and it has a magnetic back here so that it locks in a circle. So now what you have 360-degree lighting where you normally wouldn't have anything, where you just have like a spotlight or something. So let's turn off the lights and see how this actually works. So you can see in here, look at that. That is pretty amazing for just a light. 3 different speeds. You can see with it off how dark it is. Put it on, it lights up this space so nice. Now, we're in the dark and we're trying to get underneath the cabinet and do some work. Of course, work on the kitchen sink, work in the bathroom, whatever it might be. Throw this right on the floor. Trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me. Now you can see what you need to right underneath. You can lay on top of it. It's really durable. So I wouldn't be afraid to drop tools on it, to lay on it, jump on it, if that's what you want to do. Whatever you want to do, it will serve your needs pretty well. Let's see, turn the lights back on so you can see me. So I like this light. I use it everywhere. I especially like to use it standing up like this when I'm sanding doors or something. So I'll put the door basically right over here when I'm sanding something, and I can see the details of everything before I put the final coat of lacquer while I'm sanding it, and I'll put a picture too so you can see how that actually looks. But you can see it gets every single detail. It's nice and bright. The battery lasts a long time. I would recommend using one of the new octane batteries or one of their larger, what is this, the 18, it's an 18 volt, but I think it's one of the bigger batteries. Yeah, the 4 amp capacity compared to the smaller ones. The smaller one does still work though. I could actually show you. Let's go get that other battery in here and see. I believe it's the same brightness. Maybe the octane battery will be a little bit brighter, but I think most of it is really just that one will last longer than the other one. So I'll plug in that other battery. This is the other one right here, and you can see the difference between that one and this one. You can see the difference here. So I will plug in this one. See how this works. Do it one-handed, click it right in, power it on. I would say it's just as bright actually. I think the only difference is that this battery will die a lot quicker than this one. So looking into those two, there's also a newer version of this spotlight right here. Also LED as one LED, but of course it's more of a spotlight rather than a broader light like this matte is. So plug that into the battery, clicks in nice. It has a hole right there, and it comes with an attachment so you can put it on your belt loop. You can kind of just put it down just like that, like a holster, like a gun or something. The top of it does rotate for the light, and you get different angles. And simple trigger action just like that to turn it on. You can see it's more focused of a light. So let's turn off the lights and do another test with this one so you can see how it works and see what light is right for you. Okay, so over here, you can see it has definitely more of a spotlight. It works very well. It's very, very bright. So So I would definitely recommend this one. I mean, you could use it for general construction stuff if you need to. But I think something like this is more, I guess, family oriented, whether you're going camping or fishing or just something in the outdoors where you have some power tools laying around, you have extra batteries, but you want a flashlight and you want to keep the batteries rather than like putting AA's, C batteries if they even make those anymore, and that sort of thing. The matte light, definitely if you're doing work, if you're a plumber, electrician, carpenter, whatever that might be, even an auto mechanic actually could use that. You could throw it under the car while you're working. So I would definitely recommend getting the matte light. I'm pretty sure it's in stores by now. It's also online at Home Depot. I think it's between $100 and $150. Definitely recommend it though. So hope this review helped. And if you want to see anything else, check out my Instagram at Kopac Design. I post the stories, which are 24 hours and they expire every day. I post those like all day long, so you can see what I'm up to in the shop. So check me out on there, give me a follow. My number's on there, my email's on there. Send me a text, send me an email, whatever you want. I'm here to help you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.